Sweet, sweet, beautiful girls.
Why haven't you transferred the money?
What money?
The 7 million naira.
Did I work for you? Now you then chop? Why would you want to collect money that you did not work for?
Paulina, I will bury you in this town. Now I tell you that I taught you this business. That's me. You will
Close your leg. You think you're in the room with Alaji?
Yes, you're ready for the good. Very good. They're not waiting for you. I know you're happy, but no one goes like me.
Thank you. Wow. This is it. You were paid 5 million naira, 7 million naira for hookup. Who are you?
Is there any other word for it? Mobra, prostitution, ashawo, akona.
Sleeping with different Yahoo boys. Are you not shameless? Who knows if they have taken what makes you a woman?
There is no way in this life I can ever make peace with Elizabeth. It will never ever happen. Elizabeth is dead and gone. Even if I see her spirit, I will kill her spirit.
Then I will bury you alive.
Well, let's see who goes 6 feet first.
Are you daring me?
I am challenging you.
I have returned all you gave to me. I don't want to see you close to me or talk about me. If you do that, you're looking for my trouble.
The next time you try that, we will show you the stuff we are made of.
This is time you fight against Posh. Else you allow her ruin you.
Tell me what to do and consider it done.